We have a 10,000 lumens, 9600 milliamp flashlight power bank. When this is fully charged after a number of hours, the red light will turn green. Please remember to take out the power supply because this light will not turn off until it's removed. This has two lights, a floodlight and a flashlight. They both have a high light, a low light, and an emergency light. This has a carrying strap that they give you that goes over the shoulder. You simply just hook it up. Very simple to do. You have the little hook over here, and it goes over your shoulder and adjusts to any level you want. If you don't want to use the strap, over here there is a clip, and the clip goes on to your belt. So whenever you're ready to use your flashlight, you grab it and off you go. If you don't want to use the strap and it's annoying for you, you simply remove it. On the back of the unit will be a USB-A port. The USB-A port plugs into any device, for a smartphone, for a camera, anything. It's very simple to do. It's water resistant. This has a tripod socket, 1/4 20 thread. Screw it on to a telescopic pole, to a tripod, anything that you have for 1/4 20 thread. And you can shoot video, do some videos outside and have a light, do some car work, whatever you need to do. If you don't have a tripod thing, don't worry. It has a hanging hook. It's got an area so you could put a hook or string. You can hang it, and you could place this on any angle you want, and you can do your work hands-free. Now, let's show you the side light and the front floodlight. The front floodlight, if you press it once, you have the high beam. You press it again, you have the low beam. You press it again, it goes off. There's no way to shut it off on the high beam. Only when you have the flicker, a short press will shut it off. Long press will be the flicker. That's the emergency. A short press shuts it off. On the side, you're going to have the high light, the low light, and off. If you long press it in any of the lights, like the front, you're going to have an emergency 3-mode light that will go through a sequence. And let's show you what that looks like. I'm going to place it to the side, long press it, and go through the whole scenario. It flashes real fast, then it's going to strobe slow, and then go to a different one, and repeat over and over and over until either the floodlight is depleted of power, or you have it plugged in as well. So there you have it, going through the sequence. Simply just short press it, it shuts off. So one of my questions is, before we go outside at nighttime, to show everybody, can you plug it into an outlet, and can you run the unit while it's plugged in? And here we are charging, and we're able to do that. We're able to turn on both lights at the same time and run it via a USB port. So let's go on outside and show you what this unit looks like. So here's a demonstration at night of the light. And the beam goes really super far, and even seen when it's low and off, and then turn it to the flicker, as you can see on the tree. Now on the side here, it lights up one side only, and then low, and then the off, but we're going to do it the flicker. So if I was to be changing something on the car over here, I can have it like so, do a good job indeed. Let me bring it up over here so you can see it working. The light does a great job. It's something that's interesting to have in your car, and in case of those emergencies. I hope you enjoy your product if it's right for you.